Hello, this is Phoebe Tonosaki. I'm very happy to be doing this tutorial for you because there are very much support and new followers for my projects using the November Man, and it's a file folder and with some envelopes inside. So I decided to do a tutorial to show you how to make this. And this time I'm using the new collections, Rose Emotions, and actually this is the same size, absolutely same, but I just changed the directions of the opening and the storage. So you can decide which you want to make, and I will have the size show in the video here, so you will be able to make a decision. And I think it is both practical and useful for its own different purpose. And I hope you will like this project in different directions, and then different collections show the different usage and emotions. Thank you so much. So we are going to create the file folder, and what we need is, of course, our beautiful collections. So because the size of the folder, so we are mainly going to use the 8x8 pack, and then the 6x6 pack is very useful as well. And then we will also use the first cuts element sets, which we will do the decoration with them a little bit later. And then we also will be needing some craft paper. This is the thickest craft paper I can buy here, but it's up to you. Do you like it thicker or lighter? Because our paper is very heavy, so even if it is thinner than this, it should be fine. We are going to make envelopes with this craft paper. Then we also will need to have some cardboard, which is craft paper color. We will use some circle punch to make crochet. And then we will need some eyelets to make the crochet, the circles here. And then hole punching tools to make the circles here. And then we will need some corner cutter and some ribbon or twine for the crochet. Now let's get started. First thing first, we are going to assemble the file folder like this. This is the base, the size is here, and then this will be the front, which is this size, and then this is the lid, and then two connector, same size here. So now I am going to glue them together. So it will be like this. like this. We have the base here, and then right now we will cut the corner of this because this will be the lid. Alright, and then we will be gluing the design paper on the top. So we got in this area since it's going to be closed off like this, so you wouldn't see it. If you don't mind, you don't need to put design paper here. I wouldn't. Okay, and just like I said, when you close it, you won't be able to see here. So I'm just going to glue a little bit. So right now I am going to do the crochet. So we will roughly on the center, so it is 6, so roughly 3, and then maybe an inch from here or an inch, so okay. And then while it dries, we will do the binding here. What we need is the design paper. I am not going to use craft paper here because I think this should be enough, and the size is here. And we are going to score it. And then we are going to glue it here. So before we glue this into the base, we could actually glue the separate liner first. So this one will be on the base, so it's supposed to be here. Like this. Alright. Like this. And then perhaps I should make this again. Probably should have a circles around here, so or just hunch. So it should be able to close like this. Okay. As to the holes here, we will just decorate it with some couscous later, so it is not a big problem. So this is how the two, same size, but just different directions here. Okay, and here. I am going to I make the envelopes to put inside, like, or this directions. It will be just fit. And what we need is the craft paper, and the size is here. And then we will score them like this. And then we need to cut the four corners. we will glue the area here. Then cut corners. Then will be the envelopes, and then we will decorate with design paper, and it will just fit. So I am just going to decorate a little bit on the front and also cover this hole that I create. I think just a little bit flowers will make everything beautiful. And probably some leaves so that it looks natural. So here is what I create for this project, and I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.